Subscribe to Cat with Sahil Sharma channel and press the bell icon to never miss the video. Hello, welcome to Cat with Sahil Sharma. In today's video, we will talk about geometric constraint and how to use it. For that, let me draw some examples. So I have drawn a line and a circle. So let it be inside. So for constraint option to be pop up, you have to press C key on the keyboard. So you will get a window for geometric constraint. You can add another constraint also, but they are not of so much use. The most frequent used constraint are this. Okay, so let us see how to use them. So first of all, the constraint name is coincident. In this we draw two lines here. For example, I have two lines. Now I have to join them into a point. So I can use this constraint, that is coincident constraint, and here the option is select objects to constrain. So if you have constrained already this is constrained, and you want to constrain this to this line, so you have to select this object and constrain to this object. But here no one is constrained, so I can select anyone for such sake of this example only, and check the automatic selection progress, because after selecting this it automatically goes to the next option, otherwise it will not. Let me show you. For example, I select this object, it will remain in this position only. I have to select this, then I can select this. But now you can see that it is constrained here with this point, so I get the point constraint here. So that is the property of the coincident constraint. If I select the automatic selection progress, then it automatically shift to this position. Now Control Z. Now let's see another property, that is point on curve. For this I have to draw a point. For example, if I draw a point here and I want this curve to be in line with this point, so I can select first of all select the automatic selection progression, select the point and select this curve. It will go to this side or this side, because here no one is constrained already, so it will go in any direction. Okay, so you can see that here the point get aligned with the curve, or the curve get aligned with the point. So this is the function of the point on curve constraint. Now let's see another constraint, that is tangent constraint, and for that I have to select the circle and this line. So you will get a tangent constraint here. You can see you get the tangent constraint. This is a symbol of that constraint. Control Z. Now another property is parallel. You can see that here there is some dot here, which is it is showing that the line is vertical, and here this dot shows that line is horizontally constrained. If I somehow use this parallel constraint, it will show error. The error is because the constraint is already exists. This is horizontal and this is vertical, thus no one can be parallel to each other. So for getting this to be parallel, I have to delete this constraint. I have to delete this horizontal constraint or vertical constraint, and then I can use parallel constraint to make this line parallel to this line. Okay, let's Control Z it, and let me show another property or another geometric constraint, that is perpendicular. For that, select this and select that. It will automatically form a perpendicular constraint. If the line is in angle, then it will get aligned in the perpendicular direction according to that constraint. And this is the horizontal constraint. I can use this on this, and you can see that it is get horizontally constrained. Now I can't be able to make it vertical without removing that constraint, and this is the vertical constraint which is shown here. Now this is horizontal alignment. If I want to align this to be horizontal, I can use this. So for example, now they are aligned horizontally, and you can use this command, and there is a vertical alignment also. For example, if I have a line here and I want to align it vertically, and for that let me use this command, this and this. Now you can see they get vertically aligned with each other. This is a midpoint method, similar to that first constraint, but this constraint will automatically find the midpoint of a line, and you can see that it will find the midpoint of a line. So this is the midpoint constraint. Another one is a collinear constraint. If I want the line to be collinear, I can use this. I have used the alignment here already, so let me draw another example to show it. For example, I have two lines here and I want it to be collinear, so I can select whichever line, because no one is constrained, and now you can see they are vertically collinear. You can see here, this is the symbol of the collinearity. And if I have two circles and I want it to be concentric, so I can use this command, that is concentric command, and select the circle and the circle. They will get automatically constrained according to that. If I want the radius to be equal, I just select this and the radius will get equal. And if I want the length to be equal, because this is the equal length, I can select this and this. It will automatically give the 46 and 46. These lengths are now equal. So this is the basic constraint that is used in NX, and I hope you get the idea how to use it. And please hit the like button below and subscribe to my channel, and I will catch you in the next video.